Okay, one more time into the breach. Go into your working folder and open up image 127_2589372.jpg, another one of our photo spin documents. They do some very good photos. I want to show you something that might change your mind about a particular adjustment that's been there forever that most people consider more of a sledgehammer than a scalpel. I'm talking about hue and saturation. Now we'll do it smart. Come down here and click and go up to hue and saturation. Adjustment layer means no matter what we do, how bad we do it, we can always come back and fix it again. I love that. Don't forget non-destructive. If I come here, you know what happens. Everything changes. Yes, Andy, it is a sledgehammer. If I go to saturation, turns it into shades of gray. Let's go ahead and click here, and that will reset everything. What if you only want to maybe change, and this will only be if the image works, say the blues around the sky. But is that a blue or is that a cyan? I'm not really that sure if it's blue or cyan. So I can come over here and click master, and I can go into blues or cyans and see if it changes it. Or here's the easier way. See this button right here? It looks like a hand with the index finger extended. Click it and come over here and click. According to hue and saturation, that's cyan. Now, we're not done. Click and hold your mouse and drag left and right. And you're only impacting those colors where they exist throughout the image. You change your mind, you still have the tool selected, come down, say here. That's in the yellows. And again, if you drag, we can impact just those colors. Now again, it's where they exist throughout the entire image, but more of a scalpel now, isn't it? Now let's try this. I want to influence the cyans in the sky and the beach area here. You have a button here, looks like an eyedropper with a plus. This one selects a new color. This one adds colors to what you've already done. This one removes colors from any you've added. If we click this button and come up into the cyan sky, and then say we move our saturation down here, we are now impacting both of those colors, not just one. Now there is one other button here I guess I'll show you. This is kind of like tinting. It's called colorize. If you select colorize, you are, in a sense, tinting the image. And you have total control over it. Make it colder. Hue and saturation always has been thought of as this sledgehammer. And I agree, it is. It's a sledgehammer unless you know how to use it. And you can get very precise color control if you know what buttons to click. And even if you get it wrong, it's non-destructive.